BJP has announced candidates for the total of 285 seats for the upcoming Lok Sabha polls. In its latest list, BJP announced 46 candidates from Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Goa and Himachal Pradesh. Several sitting MPs and union ministers have been given the tickets, including Anurag Thakur, Shripad Nayak, Narendra Singh Tomar and Jayant Sinha. BJP also announced its support to independent candidate Sumalatha from Mandya seat in Karnataka. With this, BJP has candidates in 286 seats for the elections next month. Union Minister JP Nadda also announced appointment of senior leader Uma Bharti and National Vice President of the BJP.
आज जो सीट्स हैं उसमें 238 हमने कल तक डिक्लेयर की थी शाम तक और प्लस हमने 46 जोड़ी 284 सीट्स हो गई और अभी मैंने 2 और आपके सामने डिक्लेयर किए. सो टोटल लोकसभा सीट्स डिक्लेयर्ड इज 286 जिसमें 1 इंडिपेंडेंट सपोर्टेड एंड 285 बीजेपी सीट्स डिक्लेयर्ड. नॉर्थ गोवा श्रीपाद येसो नायक, Morena, Narendra Singh Tomar.
And earlier in the day, the BJP announced its third list of 11 candidates. The list has 6 names for Telangana, 1 for Kerala, 3 for Uttar Pradesh and 1 for West Bengal. Earlier on Friday night, the BJP had released its second list of 36 candidates. The list includes 23 nominees for Andhra Pradesh, where polling would be held in the first phase on 11th of April. The list also contains names of 6 candidates for Maharashtra and 5 for Odisha. The BJP has also announced 1 candidate each for Assam and Meghalaya. BJP national spokesperson Sambit Patra will contest from Puri parliamentary constituency in Odisha. In Assam, the party announced State Minister Pallab Lochan Das as candidate from the Tezpur seat, dropping sitting MP Ram Prasad Sharma. The BJP also released second list of its candidates for assembly elections in Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. The list contains the names of 51 candidates for Andhra Pradesh and 22 candidates for Odisha. The NDA in Bihar also announced its candidates for 39 out of the total 40 Lok Sabha seats in the state. Union Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad will contest from Patna Sahib, which was represented by Shatrughan Sinha. Union Minister Giriraj Singh, whose Nawada seat has gone to the LJP, has been shifted to Begusarai. His colleagues in the Council of Ministers, Radha Mohan Singh, R.K. Singh, Ashwini Kumar Chaubey and Ram Kripal Yadav will be fielded from their respective sitting seats of Motihari, Ara, Buxar and Patliputra. Lok Janshakti Party State President Pashupati Kumar Paras will be replacing his elder brother Ram Vilas Paswan in Hajipur. The Union Minister is likely to get a Rajya Sabha ticket. Chirag Paswan will be seeking re-election from Jamui. Bihar will see polling in 7 phases. The counting of votes will take place on 23rd of May.
एनडीए राष्ट्रीय जनतांत्रिक गठबंधन जो हमारा है, माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र भाई मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में पूरे देश में एक मजबूत सरकार बनाने की दिशा में आगे बढ़ रहा है. जो एनडीए का गठबंधन है, बिहार में बहुत मजबूती के साथ इस चुनाव को लड़ने जा रहे हैं और पार्टी के आगामी कार्यक्रमों की घोषणा भी संयुक्त रूप से तीनों दल चला करके बिहार की 40 की 40 सीटों को जिताने का हमारा एनडीए का पूरा संकल्प है, उस पर आगे बढ़ेंगे.
जिस एकजुटता के साथ एक मंच से ऐलान किया गया है, यही एक बड़े समझौता को इंगित करता है और ये दर्शाता है कि जिस साझेदारी के साथ बिहार में हम चल रहे हैं, आज 40 की 40 सीटों पर जीतने से कोई ताकत एनडीए का नहीं रोक सकता है।
ये चुनाव है आशा का, ये चुनाव है नरेंद्र मोदी जी को दोबारा प्रधानमंत्री बनाने का, ये चुनाव है भारत के विकास के एजेंडा का, और ये चुनाव है एक सक्षम भारत, सुरक्षित भारत बनाने का।
Finance Minister Arun Jaitley has accused the Congress of stopping down to forgery and fabricating evidence against the government. Jaitley said Congress Yedi diaries were a self-serving forgery of the Congress party. He said falsehood and forgeries cannot influence polls as voters are wiser than politicians. He accused the Congress of spreading falsehood in the past Godhra case, burning case and Ishrat Jahan case. Currently, he said that the opposition's campaign in Vijay Mallya and Nirav Modi cases, Rafale case, are prime examples of such falsehoods. And Congress President Rahul Gandhi campaigned for the upcoming elections in Purnia in Bihar on Saturday. Addressing a public rally, Rahul Gandhi promised minimum income for the poor if elected to power. He said everyone earning below a certain level would be given a guaranteed minimum income, which would go straight into the accounts of the beneficiaries. He also targeted Prime Minister Modi over all the promises made in the past election campaign and said that Congress would lead better.
कम से कम आमदनी वाली लाइन हम बना देंगे। इतने रुपए की हिंदुस्तान में कम से कम आमदनी होगी, ठीक है। अब जो भी उस लाइन से नीचे है, चाहे वो युवा हो बुजुर्ग हो, जो भी उस लाइन से नीचे है ना, उसके बैंक अकाउंट में कांग्रेस पार्टी सीधा पैसा डाल देगी। हिंदुस्तान की मिनिमम कम से कम आमदनी लाइन के नीचे हम एक बंदे को नहीं छोड़ेंगे। एक व्यक्ति आपको नहीं मिलेगा जो मिनिमम आमदनी लाइन से नीचे होगा। खत्म कहानी।
The Congress and the NCP have announced their seat-sharing pact in Maharashtra for the upcoming Lok Sabha polls. As per the seat-sharing agreement, Congress will contest 26 seats, while NCP will field its candidates on 22 seats. From its share of the seats, the Congress will give Palghar seat to Bahujan Vikas Aghadi and another undeclared seat to Raju Shetty's Swabhimani Shetkari Sangatna. From its 22 seats, the NCP will leave Hatkanangle seat for Shetty, who is the sitting MP from there, and give another to independent MLA Ravi Rana. The Grand Alliance consists of 56 political parties and outfits. Congress and NCP are major political parties in the alliance.